my dear students, today I am going to explain about the chapter Surface Area and Volume, question number 5, exercise 20A. What length of the solid cylinder, 2 centimeters in the diameter, must be taken to recast into a hollow cylinder of length 16 centimeters, external diameter will be 20 centimeters, and the thickness should be 2.5 millimeters, and the length should be 15 centimeters. So here, first we have to understand the question, that is, they have given the solid cylinder. You have to recast the solid cylinder into a hollow cylinder. And there the length should be 16 centimeters, the diameter should be 20, the thickness should be 2.5 millimeters, and the length should be 15 centimeters. So what we have to do here is, diameter of the, here two types of cylinder are there. One is solid cylinder, the other one is hollow cylinder. So children, here diameter it is given as 20 centimeters. To find out the radius, we have to divide 20 by 2, that is equal to 10 centimeters. And here the thickness, they have given two radius here. The first one is 10, the other one is 0.25 millimeters. How did we get 10? That is the radius R1. We will name it as R1. The next one is R2. So 10 minus the thickness will be how much? 2.5 millimeters. That will be the radius. So when we subtract that, we get 9.75 centimeters. The next one, how much is the length of the cylinder they have given here? The length of the cylinder is 15 centimeters. So here we have to apply the formula volume of the cylinder. So volume of the cylinder is equal to how much? Pi r square h. So how much? Why we have taken here r square minus r square? That is, what is the value of pi? Pi is equal to 22 by 7, and how much is the length here? 15 centimeters. So x into 15 into 10 square. 10 square is how much? We have got the radius here as 10 square minus 9.75 centimeters. How did we get 9.75 centimeters? When we subtract both the radius, that gives us 9.75 square. So 15 into x gives us 15x into 100 minus 95.0625. How did we get this? By squaring 9.75, we get 95.0625 centimeter cube. Have you understood this part? Now let us move on to the next one. Radius is equal to 1 centimeters. So how did you get radius is equal to 1 centimeters? That is for the solid cylinder. Solid cylinder is how much? 2 centimeters. Half of that will be 1 centimeters. So here we will take h as the length here. So volume of the cylinder, again apply for the solid cylinder, we get pi r square h. That is equal to pi, how much is 1? How did you get 1? The radius of the solid cylinder is 1 into h. You get cancelled. 1 1s is again 1. We get pi h. Now according to the condition, according to the statement, pi h is equal to 15x into 4.9375. How did we get 4.9375? Subtract 10 square is 100. 9.75 will be 95.0625. Subtract those both, we get 4.9375. So pi h, how much is pi here? 22 by 7. H is how much? That is equal to 15 into 4.9375 gives, multiply that, we get 74.0625. So this is the final answer for the length of the cylinder, that is equal to 74.0625 centimeter square. So for the next problem, we will watch our more videos. Thank you.